project. The installation was super easy. You know, sharing with you guys that. Yo, that's crazy! Installing it. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video, and we just got something in the mail. We got the STI in the background, a beast. We have some gaskets, and we have a header in here. I just got this in the mail. I can't wait to open it. Well, I just opened it, but I haven't really seen it out of this wrap, so let's take it out of the box real quick. Very shiny. Get that out of here. Open this one up too. So what we have here is a stainless steel header for project Euro. The reason why I went straight pipe so soon on the project, when they dropped the transmission to change the clutch, the stock system is actually rusted out. Obviously the car is so old. I was forced to get something quick. So what I'm gonna do is actually take this header to my mechanic. He actually still has the TSX. He just finished doing the clutch system on it, and I'm gonna bring this to him. We're going to install that together, so you can see how this cheap header goes on. So far, I'm very impressed for the price. I only paid $200 for this header. Better than stock. Can't complain. Stainless steel materials. This header is actually very well known in the TSX community, and it works, so might as well try it. I've tried many headers from the expensive range all the way to expensive. I figured, why not try something that you know, that is in the opposite spectrum of price and that is still good in quality. And why not? Let's try something different. I've always wanted to find out how good these cheap headers are. But what I've seen so far, it looks pretty freaking good. And to be honest with you, these welds look better than the K-Tune header. It is what it is. You can look for yourself at this weld from the K-Tune header. It's definitely not the cleanest, but this header right here is actually really nice. So let's take a closer look. For the price, this looks really good. And let's look inside, because the K-Tune header actually was pretty freaking horrible, and they were not the cleanest of welds inside. So you can see in there, you see it's all polished. And this is the second piece that attaches to the header. It is a Manzo header. Pretty good construction so far. It looks really good. So we'll see. I just want to test it out, see how long it lasts. If it might just last years. Well, UPS just got here. So I decided to wait for my next package, which is the catback. This one's from Janaka's Motorsports, and this exhaust has really good reviews. And I looked some sound clips and everything. Oh man, sounds pretty good for the price. I forgot how much I paid for this, but it's not that expensive compared to the competition, which it's like around 800, 900 bucks. Didn't want anything too loud. I want something like OEM, because I have an exhaust on this, I have an exhaust on the RSX, and on the TSX, I don't want something so like super loud. I just want something to just cruise around that is not droney. So let's start unboxing it and see the quality of it. What? I always buy like super expensive catbacks, and the attention to detail, look at the packaging. What? This is quality, man. I think I paid like $450 for this exhaust. Came with a hat. Came with a license plate, okay. Check this out. Not bad, man. This is nice. We got a bunch of hardware, gaskets and clamps. Wait a second, I just saw something else. We got a shirt. Holy crap, man. This is awesome. Oh man, thank you. Appreciate you sending all this. But we're getting a bunch of goodies with the care package right here.
See you on the other side. Stays light, stays light. I got to keep it together.
So I laid everything out. I got a shirt. I got quite a few goodies today. Lanyard, hat, you name it, man. This company hooked it up for me. Very, very good quality. These are very good welds, as you can see right there. Very nice clean welds, especially inside as well. Very, very impressed. So now we're going to load everything up. I'm gonna put everything in the STI and bring it to the shop and get this installed. So let's get there. Alright guys, so that's it. We have the exhaust finally installed. I've been driving it for a few weeks now and I absolutely love the sound. The fit and finish was pretty good. The only thing that I had trouble with was the exhaust pipes right here, the tips that came separate. I actually didn't use the clamps. As you can tell, I had to weld it. So this section right here, the muffler tips, I went to a shop and I had the pipe expanded in the inner side of the pipes. Slipped them into the muffler section over here. So this pipe just slides right into the muffler. So it was a very easy installation after that was done. Very, very affordable setup. Don't shy away from setups like this. This brand right here, it's really, really good. You can see, guys, it sounds great as well. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm actually finishing this video on New Year's Day, so I hope you guys had a great holiday with your family, and I wish you guys a great New Year's. 2020 should be an amazing year. You guys are gonna see a lot of new videos. It is the start of a new season, so it's season 3 now. 3 years in the making. We have 3 years uploading videos, which is awesome. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Season 3 has started, so stay tuned for more videos coming up. Thanks so much for watching, and until the next one, peace.
See you on the other side. Stays light, stays light.